Today on Norman's Knowledge we're going to discuss two items, the first one being a point lever and the second one being fish plates. Now, to install one of our point levers, first of all you must position it in relation to the point where you want your point lever to be. And the way our point levers work is at 90 degrees to the point, so that the pull and push is this way and the point is over here. Now, first of all, we remove the R clip from the sentry pin and we raise the point lever to the mid position and adjust it so that it's vertical in the mid position. We then get some studding, which is the correct size to fit in the clevis, the threaded clevis, and we take that towards the point with a lock nut in front of the clevis, which is left loose obviously. We then take that studding over towards the point and link it to the point either with angle iron with a couple of holes drilled in it, one for the studding and another hole to bolt it to a strip that is attached to the point, or by any other fabrication that you require. The main driving force is coming through a piece of studding with a lock nut at each end. We then get the mid position with the point lever vertical, and the point should be in between both blades, so it's in its mid position. And then you'll find that as it goes the point lever goes one, do your lock nuts up if you're happy with that, lower the point lever one way and it will stop when the blades touch one side of the point throat, and when the lever's swung the other way, it'll stop when the blades touch the other side of the throat. The mid position, as we said, is where no blades are touching either side. So that's adjusted correctly. Then you're then okay to run and use your point lever as a point lever. You can adjust the weights by taking the weights on and off, by undoing the nut on this bolt, putting more weights on or taking some off, however you want to have it. And you can also use the point to be trailed. Now, if you put the sentry pin back in, the sentry pin and the R clip back into the hole there, what happens is when you trail, this will in other words, you come from the frog side of the point, the blades will push over the flanges of the wheels of the vehicle or locomotive, will push the blade over and you'll go through the point safely. This lever, this weight will then close the point again to its correct position, so anything coming towards the point from the other direction will go on the route selected. The sentry pin guards against this lever being flicked over and changing the direction of the point. So if you want to run it in a trailing position and on one route, use the sentry pin. You can use it in that way, or you can put it in the other way with the lever that side, and the lever can't kick past centre, so it will always return to the route set. And then put your R clip back in the sentry pin and you're all set. Make sure that the base of the point lever obviously is screwed down tightly in position and all the lock nuts are done up. And there we are, you've got your point lever working. If you ever have to dismantle it, you can take the R clip out of the other pin and you can remove this clevis by undoing the clevis pin clip and whatever you want to do. But you shouldn't need to touch anything other than putting a piece of studding in the clevis, and either having the sentry pin in if you only want one route selected, or the sentry pin out if you want to use it as a fully changeable point. There we are. Thank you very much.